Hello students of class 10. Once again we come back to the virtual class of class 10 syllabus, sections formula from coordinate geometry. As we already know, the coordinate plane is divided into four quadrants by the x and y axis. The first quadrant, second, third and fourth in a anti-clockwise direction. First quadrant, both are positive, both coordinates. In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive, and x, y negative both in the third quadrant, and x positive, y negative in the fourth quadrant. Now, here are a few points which we need to remember before we proceed into this chapter. That is, on the x axis, y coordinate is 0, on the y axis, x coordinate is 0. Equation of x axis is therefore y is equal to 0, and equation of y axis is therefore x is equal to 0. Here are two things which you should remember as we move on to coordinate geometry and into its details. Equation of a line parallel to x axis is y equal to c. As I've shown over here, equation of a line parallel to y axis is x equal to c. In class 9 you have already learnt distance formula. Distance AB, A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, is given by root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What does section formula state now? Here we come to section formula. See, if a line AB is divided by the point P, A's coordinates is x1 y1, B's coordinate is x2 y2, and P is the unknown coordinate xy, and the point P divides the ratio, divides a line AB in the ratio AP is to PB, such that AP is to PB is m is to n. Remember, m is to n is the ratio. Now, what is the purpose of section formula? The purpose of section formula is to find the unknown coordinates of this point P. Let the point P divide AB in the ratio m is to n. Therefore, by section formula, x of P means this coordinate can be found out by m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, and yp, this coordinate, can be found out by m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Now here is a sum from the year 2020 ICSE. In what ratio the line joining the P 5,3 and Q minus 5,3 is divided by the y-axis? Now, as we already know, on the y-axis x coordinate is 0. So this line PQ is divided by this point O, which is 0, y in the ratio m is to n. Let the point point O be O, y divide PQ in the ratio m is to n. On the y-axis, x is equal to 0. We have to write these statements even though we know that the examiner is knowing all these things. Okay, by sections formula, 0 is equal to m into minus 5 plus n into plus 5 divided by m plus n. What is 0? 0 is the x coordinate at this point O. As we already know, y on the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So from here, if we cross multiply m plus n with 0, we are having minus 5m plus 5n is equal to 0. And from that, we are getting m is to n, 1 is to 1. So if m is to n is 1 is to 1, this means what? OP is equal to OQ. That means O is the midpoint of PQ. The coordinates of the point of intersection by midpoint formula. Now remember, midpoint formula is a derivation of the section formula. Midpoint formula is a derivation of section formula. Now the midpoint formula states that if a midpoint O is 0, y, then the coordinates of O can be found out by x1 plus x2 by 2. Now this is already 0. We have found out here. This is already 0, and the coordinates of y can be found out by this plus this, y1 plus y2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So O is 0, 3. Here is the briefing of midpoint formula. If O is the midpoint, these are the points P, x1, y1, Q, x2, y2. Then O, xy, the unknown coordinates, is found out by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Thank you. Please refer to the comment section for further clarification.